Tornado warning! First alert, WX-167.
Here it is.
I think it's mixing with another radio station.
Thunderstorms seem flash flooding.
What's that? Right back here?
Flash flooding
I can't find it.
passes. Two locations that will experience flash flooding include southeastern Palm Springs, eastern Anza, Cathedral City, Palm Desert, Rachel Mirage, Highway 74 between Anza and Palm Desert, Highway 74 between Mountain Center and Anza, Mountain Center, Santa Rosa Mountain and Lake Tennessee.
Okay, that was it.
Sorry.
It was mixing with another radio
Yes,
station.
it
Of course it was.
was.
That's where the static was coming from.
I was like,
Anyways,
wait.
that was a flash flood warning on 95.1. I actually got it. So,
Thank you to Kim for...
thanks, Kim.
Oh,
You're awesome.
Sorry, tried.
That's okay. I got the alert, so you don't have to worry.
U-turn or just go that way?
Yeah, that's it. So here are the radios that activated. Alright, so now let's turn everything on.